Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching another episode of UpStreamCharlie, a place for content creators, solopreneurs, and freelancers like you and me. So, in today's episode, actually, I'm going to do an extended sound testing of the TYLEX XM19 Soundbar. Many of you have watched already that I posted 2 weeks ago, and this is one of my fastest growing video in terms of viewership. It's already in the 2,000 views so far. So thank you very much for watching the video. Many of the subscribers and viewers who posted on the comment section of the video suggested that I should test it more on the bass or bass sound. So I'm gonna do that on this video. Plus we'll also do some treble sound, those high pitch sound. And also there's another request that I should play something, a music with voice. Probably we'll get an old song, so we won't get any copyright strike or copyright claim. For the bass and for the treble testing, I have some presets that I have. I have this app that I use to do my soundtrack or background music that I produce myself. If you check on my channel, there's several music. I think it's already 15 background music that I produce, me as Charlie Jose under UpStreamCharlie channel. So I'm gonna use that tool, that device, that app to test the bass, the treble, and other instruments that are presets already that is allowed to use for a monetized channel like mine. So without further ado, let's go and check this out and see you in a few seconds. Okay, we're now here in my office studio, my office YouTube studio. So we'll be testing the TYLEX XM19 soundbar for the sound testing and sound review. So many of you again would like me to test it for the bass. So I have several presets here that can be used for monetized channel like mine. Let's go and start playing some bass. Okay. So that's bass number 1. Okay, if you hear that, that's the maximum volume of the TYLEX. It's pre-programmed so it could protect the speaker para hindi mabasag. Bass number 1, testing. Bass number 2 for testing. Bass number 3. Bass number 4. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Lo-fi hip-hop presets. I use this app to do my own soundtrack and background sound. So you're listening to bass number 4 under the Lo-fi or Lo-fi hip-hop presets. Okay, let's test another bass. I guess that's one of the lowest bass that I've heard under the bass presets. So far the speaker can take it. Let's do bass number 6. bass number 7. That's one also one of the lowest bass sound that I have. I hope the microphone is picking it up. I'm using a BM800 condenser microphone. Let's do bass 8. Let's do some mixing of bass or bass. Okay, these are two bass, the bass 8 and bass number 1. I mix them. Let's put some beat. Let's put some guitar. Okay, that ends the testing for the bass sound. So we'll move on to another tone for the TYLEX XM19. So we'll try to do some beats. So let's go. Beat number 1 under the lo-fi hip-hop presets. That's beat number 1. Let's do beat number 2. This one has a bass or bass. Not bad. Let's do beat number 3. Let's do beat number 4. Let's do beat number 5. Let's do beat number 6. Remember, I'm using the lo-fi hip-hop presets. That's beat number 7. And this is beat number 8. Okay, that ends the beat section. For the sound testing, I've already done the bass. So we had some 8 bass or bass presets that I already played, and I already played 8 sets of presets beats under the lo-fi hip-hop preset sound. So let's do some other instruments. How about a guitar? Let's do another guitar. Let's mix some guitars. Let's do number 6 guitar. Number 7 guitar. It has some groove music into it. Okay, that ends the guitar section. Let's play some synthesizers and keyboards. This keyboard number 1. This synthesizer number 1. Keyboard number 2 under the lo-fi hip-hop presets. This keyboard number 3. It has some bass or bass in it. So let's do a piano. Have a different sound effects for the piano. Electronic piano. That's preset number 4 for keyboard. It has also a bass into it. This is the other synth or synthesizer keyboard. Another preset. Okay. That ends the sound testing for the keyboards and pianos. So let's do some mixing using the TYLEX XM19. Let's do some beats. so that wraps our testing for the TYLEX XM19 soundbar. So I hope my viewers are happy now. This is the extended version of the XM19 TYLEX soundbar. So I did all the testing that I could do, not violating any copyright issues or copyright strike. So I hope you like this episode. If you're watching this episode and you've not seen my unboxing, please go to the unboxing, product review, and the minor testing of the TYLEX XM19 soundbar in my early video. So again, for the viewers who already watched my previous video and who is watching it right now, thank you very much for the comments. So I did this because I have comments that needs to be answered. So some of them have already answered here for the bass, for the treble, and for the music with vocals. So again, this is Charlie Jose thanking you and wishing you a Merry Christmas. Goodbye. Thank you.